The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, a dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
What do you think of the wave of the Beyond Meat burger and plant-based food products?
You know what? It's actually funny because this past weekend, I actually just tried the Impossible Whopper. You know what? Here's the thing. If you eat it on the bun with all the stuff that comes with it, the Impossible Whopper it's not exactly there yet, but it's close. If you try that patty by itself, it is the most disgusting thing you will ever put in your mouth ever. No, not ever, because I also tried Burger King tacos. That is the most disgusting thing you will ever put in your mouth in your life. Don't ever do it. If anybody tells you to do it, kick them out your life. You don't need that kind of negativity. But I've tried Impossible. I haven't tried Beyond yet. I've tried the vegan patties where it's like the black bean and, whatever it is. As a matter of fact, my sister actually just took me out not too long ago for my first vegan meal, which I think I have her beat because I love oatmeal and oatmeal is vegan. So guess what? Ha, sis, I got you beat. But, I'm looking forward to trying Beyond, and I think there's another one that's coming out soon that's not Impossible, but it's something else. And I'm looking forward to just, buying all 3 of them in the store and trying them out for myself because I'm a meat eater. I love, I love my burgers. We don't have a steak and shake here, but I love steak and shake. But I'm willing to give it a try. If, anything that can make me a little bit healthy, like just that much healthier, I'm down to try it.
Do you think it's where we're headed with food, or do you think it's just a fad?
I'm going to say that I hope it is kind of where we're going. I mean, I'm not giving up meat, but, for people who want to give up meat, but they want the same taste, I think Beyond is the burger that still bleeds, even though it's vegan, it still bleeds. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me. But I think we are going to start having more, vegan alternatives to things like burgers and oxtail. I know we got alternative vegan chicken. So I think this is going to be one of those rabbit holes that we should explore.